come ride this Balkan lift with us. So this is the door. You go in. Thankfully it has doors. And then as soon as you press, it starts moving.
Check the cracks. Lots of confidence.
Well, at least it has a protective door.
I know. What an experience. It's not the first time.
But if you open this door, it will stop. But I don't want to do it because it'll...
Ah!
Oh, abrupt stop. And you're in. And then you close it. Thanks for riding the lift with us.